Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B18B4 indicates a potential issue with the left side BSI radar unit in the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. The BSI, or Blind Spot Information System, uses radar units to detect vehicles in adjacent lanes, aiding in safe lane changes and overall safety. When this DTC is triggered, it suggests that the left side radar unit is not functioning optimally due to contamination or inadequate visibility. The location of the radar unit is typically near the rear bumper, making it susceptible to dirt, ice, snow, and other environmental elements. Understanding this DTC is essential, as it directly impacts the performance of safety features designed to help the driver. It also underscores the importance of maintaining the cleanliness of radar units for ensuring safe driving experiences. The error identified by the DTC B18B4 is specifically related to the left side BSI radar unit. This radar unit plays a critical role in the blind spot information system, which is designed to help the driver be aware of vehicles that may be in blind spots. The location of this radar unit is generally situated on the left side of the rear bumper, providing a clear line of sight for accurate detection. If the radar unit is obstructed by dirt, snow, or ice, its functionality can be severely impaired. Ensuring the clean operation of this unit is vital for maintaining driver safety, as it impacts the effectiveness of the lane change assist features. In summary, maintaining the cleanliness around the left side BSI radar unit is essential to its operational integrity. The potential causes for triggering DTC B18B4 often revolve around environmental factors. These may include adverse weather conditions such as rain, snow, or ice that accumulate on the radar unit and obscure its operation. Temporary contamination could also occur due to dirt or debris during regular driving, especially on unpaved or poorly maintained roads. Additionally, traffic conditions that force the vehicle into close proximity to other vehicles can exacerbate the situation. These factors contribute to the possibility that the radar unit may report a fault when, in reality, the issue could be momentary and self-resolving. Understanding the influence of the environment on radar unit performance is crucial for accurate diagnostics. When DTC B18B4 is triggered, several symptoms may manifest that are directly associated with the malfunctioning radar unit. One of the most noticeable outcomes is the activation of warning lights on the dashboard, indicating that there is an issue with the blind spot information system. Additionally, the performance of the lane change assist feature may be reduced, leaving the driver without essential assistance while changing lanes. The accuracy of blind spot detection could also be compromised, increasing the risk of potential accidents. Therefore, recognizing these symptoms early is crucial for preventing unsafe driving situations. If ignored, these symptoms could lead to more significant safety risks while operating the vehicle. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC B18B4 is to press the engine's start-stop button to select the on mode. This step is essential as it powers up the vehicle's systems and enables communication between the diagnostic tool and the vehicle's electronic control unit, ECU. By entering the on mode, you provide the necessary electrical power to run diagnostic checks on various systems, including the radar units. This process is crucial for ensuring that the diagnostic equipment can access up-to-date data regarding the BSI system's status. Correctly initiating this troubleshooting step sets the stage for accurate diagnosis as subsequent steps progress. In troubleshooting step 2, you will clear the DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. The HDS is a specialized tool used to diagnose and solve issues within Honda vehicles. This step is essential as it resets the DTC memory, allowing you to check for any new faults after addressing the initial concerns. Clearing the DTCs will help in determining whether the fault is intermittent or a persistent issue. It is vital to clear any stored codes before conducting further tests, ensuring that you only see active faults during subsequent checks. This step helps provide a clear understanding of the status of the radar units after the initial issue has been addressed. In this step, the aim is to press the engine start-stop button again, first selecting the off mode and then switching back to on mode. This action serves to cycle the vehicle's systems fully, which can help in resetting any temporary glitches that may exist. By turning the vehicle off and then back on, you effectively refresh all electronic systems, including the radar units involved in the BSI. This cycling can potentially resolve any minor software-related issues that could have triggered the DTC. Following this step ensures that the diagnostic test performed afterward reflects the true condition of the radar units, without any lingering effects of prior electrical activity. The fourth step involves checking for any DTCs again using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This process is crucial for confirming whether the previous steps successfully resolve the issue, or if further investigation is needed. During this check, if no new DTCs are indicated, it may point to an intermittent failure, suggesting the system is operating correctly at this time. On the other hand, if persistent DTCs are present, it indicates that more detailed troubleshooting steps are required to identify the root cause. Thus, this step serves as a pivotal checkpoint in the diagnostic procedure, helping to ascertain the current health status of the blind spot information system. The focus of troubleshooting Step 5 is to inspect the outside of the rear bumper for contaminants, such as snow, ice, dirt, or stickers. The rear bumper is critical because it houses the BSI radar units. If any debris obstructs these units, it could compromise their detection capabilities. A thorough visual inspection allows the technician to ascertain whether contamination is present and impacting the radar unit's function. If the bumper appears to be clean, it suggests that the issue lies elsewhere or could be intermittent due to environmental conditions. However, if contaminants are found, this indicates the need for immediate cleaning before proceeding further with other diagnostics. In troubleshooting Step 6, the focus is on removing the appropriate side of the rear bumper from the rear wheel arch. This step is critical for gaining access to the interior of the bumper, where the BSI radar unit is located. Properly disconnecting the bumper without causing damage ensures that you can perform a thorough inspection of the radar unit. Take care when removing the bumper components, as improper handling can lead to additional issues. Once removed, you can further inspect for any debris or contaminants that may not be visible from the outside. This step enhances the diagnostic process, enabling a more comprehensive assessment of what may be obstructing the radar unit. During troubleshooting Step 7, you'll check the interior of the rear bumper for contaminants such as snow, ice, or dirt. It is essential to conduct a close inspection of the BSI radar unit itself for any dirt or contaminants potentially obstructing its surface. If the radar unit is found to be dirty, it could explain any failures indicated by the DTC. Conversely, if the unit is clean and free of contaminants, it may be necessary to replace the radar unit entirely. This step underscores the importance of maintaining the integrity of the BSI system, as the functionality relies heavily on the radar unit's ability to detect objects correctly. Therefore, meticulous attention to detail in this step can significantly impact the ultimate resolution of the fault. In the final troubleshooting step, the technician's focus is to clean contaminants from the inside of the rear bumper and the BSI radar unit. using appropriate cleaning solutions can remove any dirt or obstruction effectively. If cleaning resolves the issues and no further DTCs arise, the radar unit may continue functioning normally. However, if the radar unit remains unresponsive or continues to trigger DTCs despite being cleaned, it may require replacement. This evaluation is crucial to ensuring that the blind spot information system functions safely and effectively. Proper cleaning and maintenance not only solve present issues, but also help prolong the life and accuracy of the radar units. The final repair verification step requires confirming the functionality of the blind spot information (BSI) system after completing all necessary cleaning or replacements. This is a critical phase where the technician must ensure that the radar units are fully operational before concluding the repair process. Retesting the system's operation will involve checking for any remaining DTCs using the Honda Diagnostics System (HDS). If no further codes appear and the system behaves as expected, the repair can be considered successful. However, if issues persist, further investigation will be necessary to pinpoint the ongoing faults. This verification not only reaffirms the technician's work, but also guarantees that the vehicle's safety features operate correctly. Preventive maintenance is key to ensuring the longevity and effectiveness of the blind spot information system in the Honda Odyssey. Regularly cleaning the radar units and ensuring that they are free from contaminants can dramatically improve their performance and reliability. It is advisable for vehicle owners to inspect the radar unit areas, particularly after adverse weather conditions, to preemptively address any buildup of snow, ice, or dirt. Taking such measures not only extends the life of these components, but also maintains a high level of safety while driving. By incorporating routine checks into your vehicle maintenance routine, you significantly reduce the likelihood of DTCs like B18B4 appearing in the future. Adopting this approach can lead to safer driving experiences and more efficient vehicle operation. In conclusion, the troubleshooting process for DTC B18B4 highlights the importance of maintaining clean radar units for the blind spot information system in the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. Contaminants can cause significant safety issues, as they may impair the system's ability to detect vehicles in adjacent lanes. By following the structured troubleshooting steps, a technician can ascertain whether the issue is temporary or requires further action. Regular cleaning and maintenance of radar units play a critical role in ensuring driver safety and preventing future DTC occurrences. Furthermore, monitoring for any recurrence of the DTC after repairs is essential to confirm the effectiveness of the performed actions. Understanding this process contributes significantly to maintaining road safety and vehicle reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.